Hello and welcome to Design Help, where we help you to help yourself to design a fabulous interior. So how do we do it? Well, we have a fabulous range of online videos with lots of backup information with hints and tips to inspire you to get that great effect. Every month we focus on a core subject and build your knowledge in a logical way. So stay with me and we're going to show you all the subjects that we're going to cover. The Design Help Master Plan is very important because it will show you how to break your project into sections if necessary and still keep a continuity. Whether you're working on one room or a whole house, everyone's project is different and there will be some parts more relevant than others. But it's good to know the way things should run, and it's a great money saver. But how do you go about finding your personal style that suits your house and lifestyle? I will give you and show you this so that you have confidence. We will be using more than a mood board to help you discover how to show your ideas. We'll be using a concept, which is so much more and helps you visualize your ideas. We also incorporate your existing items and look at what is feasible. Developing your ideas into reality is so rewarding, and it's easy when you know how. As a hands-on practical designer, I'm going to show you how to measure up your own room accurately and how to transfer the information into useful drawings using simple techniques. Discovering your property in detail and understanding and knowing its special points and also the areas that need attention or disguising is really quite essential. Plans and other types of drawings give real information to your builders, and if you want to make sure that you get what you want, they are very important. Technology using CAD is the buzzword for today, but you don't need to use it. It has great benefits and helps visualization. But it does need training and can be expensive when you're using professionals. I can show you simply how to plan your space professionally and give your interior a special image and make it efficient and user-friendly for all. Colour and pattern are essentials to the beautiful interior, and how they are used is unique to everyone's taste and property. Developing your concept into a full design is the professional way to achieve your personal style with confidence and ease. Confidence with your choice is everything. Dressing the interior is at the heart of a finished scheme with furniture and soft furnishings and accessories. Keeping an eye on the budget is always a challenge. And there is a big difference between shopping with a design in mind, as this keeps you objective. Sale shopping can be a dangerous art. Lighting your room can make or break a scheme, but can only be done when you have decided on your layouts and colours. The choice and understanding of how you light a room is undervalued. Professionals are great to use, but they could bust your budget. The kitchen and bathroom design is often in the hands of the specialist, producing CAD drawings to help with visualization. But that does not mean you cannot give a full brief of your requirements or even use companies like IKEA and DIY it. Whether you are DIYing or bringing in the builders, managing your project and bringing everything into budget is actually very difficult. We will look at ways of helping you with this challenge because money matters and communications are vital within projects. Design Help is here to help you, and every project is different, but there are some fundamentals that will help set your project off on the right start and give you a successful ending.